Hello friends, myself N.R. Govindaswamy, Assistant Professor at NGP Institute of Technology. This session we are going to discuss about some collage view about lightning transients.
Hey guys, I am Sankar and this is Preeti. In this video we are going to see about lightning transient. So at first she will explain what is lightning and then she will explain what is transient. So let's get started.
Hi guys, myself Preeti. In this video we are going to see about lightning and lightning transients. What is lightning? Lightning is an electrostatic discharge when two clouds with opposite polarity collides each other. Whatever lightning comes in a microsecond, it produces an enormous amount of current which ranges from 1000 to 2 lakh amps per microsecond. Now, Shankar Sanjeev is going to give a brief explanation about lightning.
So this is lightning happening in the different types of system. So this is windmill. So lightning will affect this power station, and then this is the lightning colliding with the buildings. Okay, then this is the lightning colliding with the river. So these are the lightning transients happening in normal day-to-day lives, and there are more examples like this. During lightning, we will hear some thundering sound. So that sound will occur before the after the lightning happens. So at first the lightning will be the flash will be happened at first before the thundering sound. So from this we can see that the power of light is it's more than a microseconds. It will happen in microseconds. And then, for example, we have seen more number of horror movies. And in those movies, you will see some ghosts passing from here to there in milliseconds or nanoseconds. So like that, it happens the lightning. So it will happen in microseconds. And then she will explain about lightning transients.
Before going to lightning transient, we need to know about what is transient. Transient is a term which refers to an interruption or a variation in voltage level. There are two different types of causes of transient. One is an internal cause and another one is an external cause. Switching surges, arcing ground, which comes under an internal cause, whereas a lightning transient comes under an external cause, which is a natural transient. Come, let's see about a natural transient, which is a lightning transient. Lightning transient is a phenomenon which is an electrostatic discharge when two clouds collide each other. It produces a current shock which ranges from 1000 to 2 lakh ampere currents per microsecond. In a lightning transient, there are three types of flashes occurs. Basically, lightning transient occurs it affects the power system and also in home appliances like washing machine, TV, fridges, and so on. For home appliances, we can use protective devices, whereas for power system we can't use. There are three types of flashes I said earlier. That is direct flash, near flash, and a far flash. Let's see about a direct flash now. Consider my left hand as a transmission line and my right hand as a lightning. When lightning directly affects the transmission line, the transmission line gets more affected. So power system gets more damaged. This is a direct flash. The next thing is near flash. Near flash is that when lightning comes a little bit near to the transmission line, it affects the transmission line little bit damage. It gets a little bit damaged. That is a near flash. Coming to last one, far flash. It affects when lightning touches the transmission line far away from the power system. It doesn't affect it much more. That is the far flash. That's all about lightning transients.
So guys, I think you have understood about lightning transient. So we will meet with another interesting topic in the next video.